There's a YouTube channel that uploads videos about cave exploration and earns over $32,000 per month without showing their face or voice. What's even crazier, this channel was created less than a year ago, and that $32,000, that's only from Google AdSense earnings. When you factor in sponsorships, they're probably making closer to $50,000 per month. In this video, I'll teach you step by step how to follow this strategy, using AI to compose, edit, and construct a fully automated faceless YouTube channel. I'll also be putting the strategy to the test and sharing my personal experience so you can follow along and see the truth. This video is packed with useful information, so don't skip any part. Every step is important to your success. YouTube rewards creators based on how long their videos are watched. Many content creators, like you and me, invest time in creating and monetizing videos. But what if I told you that you could automate the entire process while still earning thousands of dollars per month without appearing on camera? The cave diving channel I mentioned earlier is an excellent example. Their content focuses on thrilling cave expedition stories, an intriguing niche that is very straightforward to replicate. Now, let's go over the step-by-step approach to doing the same. For scripting, we'll use DeepSeek AI. If you've never used DeepSeek AI before, it's really simple. You just ask it to create a script for your YouTube video.
For example, I asked DeepSeek AI for the top 5 real-life cave diving stories. After receiving the list, I chose the Plura Cave disaster incident and asked DeepSeek AI to create a comprehensive 300-word script. Within seconds, I had a fully structured script ready to go, all while sipping my coffee. And here's proof. Yep, I drink coffee in this mug. In this mug. AI can significantly speed up the scripting process, which is usually the most time-consuming part of content creation. And that's true because I wrote this video script in 8 hours. But your support keeps motivating me to create better content. DeepSeek AI can also generate interesting hooks if you need a stronger introduction. It makes it easy to create longer, more engaging content by allowing you to expand on specific topics in sections. The more time people spend watching, the more money you make. Now, you need to choose between using an AI voice generator, hiring a voice actor, or recording the voiceover yourself. AI-generated voices are a fantastic option if you want to save time, even though human voices typically connect better with the audience. If you decide to go with an AI voiceover, there are many tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, and many more that can transform your script into a high-quality voiceover. The next step is to create the video after you have your voiceover and script. For this, we'll use Pictory.ai, one of the most powerful AI video editing tools in 2025. And the best part? You can use it for free. Pictory offers a variety of video creation options, including text-to-video conversion, stock footage, and creative visuals. We'll use the script-to-video template. Just select a style, such as live action, animation, or whiteboard, paste your script, and Pictory will take care of the rest. It even provides a collection of royalty-free sound effects and music, or you can add your own for a more unique touch. Once you're happy with the final video, you can export it and get it ready for YouTube. An eye-catching thumbnail is crucial for growing on YouTube. Don't believe me? Watch this MrBeast clip. The cave exploring channel we mentioned earlier is successful partly because of its creepy and eye-catching thumbnails. We can use Leonardo AI, another powerful AI tool, to create stunning thumbnails. Leonardo AI allows you to generate high-quality images with text prompts. For example, I asked it to create a terrifying image of a man being dragged into a cave while wearing a red shirt, and it produced a spooky thumbnail that perfectly fits the theme. If the first attempt isn't perfect, you can always tweak the prompt until you get the right image. Step 5. Uploading and growing your YouTube channel. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Setting up your channel correctly is critical for success. Make sure to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Use thumbnails and titles that instantly grab attention. Post videos consistently as the YouTube algorithm rewards regular uploads. Building a content library ensures that when one of your videos goes viral, Viewers have more content to watch, increasing your overall watch time and earnings. Now, I'll create a brand new YouTube channel and make videos using this exact method. I'll upload them over the next 90 days. Yes, because I'm a hardworking guy. Don't worry, I'm not a blacksmith. So, subscribe and follow along as I post updates on my progress. This method has the potential to generate thousands of dollars per month, and AI makes it easier than ever to get started. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.